Alright, so now let's begin with the making the login form as a separate form. So as I mentioned in the previous section, here is the login form which we want to make as a separate form instead of part of the very same page. So let's begin with the coding. I'll go to the client application and we'll first of all open the app.js. It is the route which is needed to be defined. Now all the path which you see in the route is the root path. That's where we need to make few changes. So I'm commenting the existing code for these lines. Now let's take the login component on the root path, and this we will say eStore. Now let's open the root path and you see that the login is getting displayed. Now here also, because just defining eStore for the landing page will not do the job, let's go to the landing page. Here also we need to change the path. So this will be again eStore. Let's check the output. Still it is that. Now let's go to main container and check the route there. Now we need to change the header section as well. So let's do that. We are removing it from the app.js and we are going to shift it to landing page. So I'm just configuring that. Now you see that the login page is getting displayed separately. Click on the button, selecting the email. Now we need to change the redirections. So let's make the changes for the redirection. Now let's try once again. We are now on the main page, the eStore. Now we need to change all the links. Like for example, if I click on the cart, nothing will happen. Same is the case with if I click on the home or any option. You see when I click on home, it displays login. Let's make changes to correct these things as well. Now I'm going to shift these routes from app.js to the landing page. And here we'll have the eStore. So I've added eStore everywhere now. If we have any route change, then we can change it right now. Now here you see that this doesn't have eStore. So let's add eStore here as well. Now I'm removing the exec from the main route because we need to have the specific comparison. Now let's check it. Clicking on the login with Google. So now you can see that it's working in the proper flow. Now let's check the entire flow once again. There is already a logged in status, so it's directly going to the payment page. And now you can see that all routes are also configured. So this is over.